Good morning students. Today we have learned about Unit 4 Cell Biology Book Back Evaluation. Students, take your textbook in page number 67. The first on book back evaluation, the first Roman letter is choose the correct answer. The first one is basis unit of life. The answer is option A, cell. Second one, I am the outermost layer of an animal cells. Who am I? Answer is option C, cell membrane. Third one is which part of the cell is called the brain of the cell? The answer is option D, nucleus. Then fourth one, dash helps in cell divisions. The option is option C. The answer is option C, centriole. Then fifth one is suitable term for the various component of the cell is dash. Then answer is option D, cell organelle. Second one, fill in the blanks. The first one is the jelly-like substance present in the cell is called dash. Answer is cytoplasm. Second one, I convert the sun's energy into food for the plant. Who am I? Answer is chloroplast. Then third one, mature red blood cells do not contain a dash, nucleus. Fourth one, unicellular organism can only be seen under a dash, microscope. Then fifth one, cytoplasm first nucleoplasm is equal to dash, protoplasma. Then third one, true or false. If false, give the correct answer is. First one, the question is animal cells have a cell wall. The answer is the statements are false. The correct statements, plant cells have a cell wall. Then second one, Salmonella is a unicellular bacteria. The answer is true. So the statements are true. Third one, cell membrane is fully permeable. Then wrong statements. The statements are wrong. So correct statement is selectively permeable. So false. Then fourth one, only plant cells have the chloroplast. The statements are correct. Then fifth one, human stomach is an organ. The statements are correct. Then sixth one, ribosomes are small organelles with a membrane. The statements are wrong. So false. The correct statements are ribosomes are small organelles without a membrane. Then அடுத்தல match the following. Fourth Roman letter is match the following. First one, transporting channel. The answer is endoplasmic reticulum. Second one, suicidal bags. Answer is lysosome. Third one, control room, nucleus. Fourth one, powerhouse, mitochondria. Fifth one, food producer, chloroplast. Then fifth one, analogy, bacteria, microorganism. Mango tree, microorganism. Adipose tissues, eyes, or organ. Then answer is organ. Cell wall, plant cell. Centriole, animal cells. Fourth one, chloroplast, photosynthesis, mitochondria, respirations. Then sixth one, choose the correct alternative from the following. Assertion, tissues is a group of dissimilar cells. Reason, muscles is made up of muscle cells. So answer is option A, both A and R are true. Then second one is assertion A, majority of the cells cannot be seen directly with naked eye because. Reason, cells are microscopic. The answer is both A and R are true. Then seventh Roman letter is very short answer. The first question is what are the functions of the cell wall in a plant cells? So production, maintain the shape of the cell and act as a productive framework. And then second question is which organ uses energy from sunlight to make starch? So answer is chlorophyll uses energy from sunlight to make starch. Third one, what are the main things in a nucleus? Nuclear envelope, nucleus, chromatin, body. Fourth one, what does cell membrane do? It acts as a boundary of the cells and protects it. Then fifth one, why lysosomes are known as scavengers of the cell? The lysosome are the main digestive compartment of a cell and digest damaged cell parts. Hence, they are called scavengers of the cell. Then sixth question is teacher shed a virus is not an organism. Do you agree with this statement or not? Explain why. Yeah, I agree with these statements because virus cannot do anything on their own until they enter in living cells without cells. Virus would not able to multiply. Therefore, viruses non-living organisms. Okay, students. Thank you.